Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today to join me for What's Your Favorite Holiday Space collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Light DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, Joyful Decor by Denise, and Jennifer at Home. All of these channels will be listed below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. My living room happens to be my cozy place. This is where I love to come, and when my husband's home, we sit here on the sofa with snuggly pillows and blankets, and it's so cozy. In the mornings, I love to sit in this chair. This is what I call the prayer chair. I love having a prayer chair in my home that I can sit down and read my Bible and pray in the mornings. I have a cozy pillow and a little blanket with my monogrammed initial. This is my little deer named Tommy Boy, and he has his Christmas scarf on. I named him Tommy Boy after the movie Tommy Boy. If you've seen the movie, you'll really understand why this deer's name is Tommy. In my living room is where my Christmas tree is. This is the main Christmas tree in our home. The other two trees are smaller trees. This one is super simple, and I have delightful little owls hidden right in the tree with the ornaments. I love slipping cute little animals into my holiday displays. Speaking of holiday animals, I have these two really cute, adorable dogs. And right over here next to the fireplace, I have this photo frame that was a gift from my son. I love watching the Great American Family Channel with all of their delightful Christmas movies. So here is my cozy space, and so calm and relaxing. It's where I love to hang out with my husband Alan. We both enjoy this space so much, especially at Christmas time. I really appreciate you being here. I had so much fun showing my favorite holiday cozy space. I would be so happy if you check out all of the participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Happy New Year!